Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add watermark to your videos in CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to add the watermark to. Go to text and add in the default text here. I'm just going to add it till the end of the video. Then I'm going to just type in watermark. You can type in anything you want and you can use any font that you want as well. I'll just use this one and I'm going to make it all caps lock as well. I'm going to adjust the font size and I'm going to place it here. Scroll down to the blend mode. You can adjust the opacity or you can choose from the selection of blend modes. I think you have to make it into a compound clip to choose. So just right click, create compound clip, go to video and then go to blend mode and select whichever one you think looks best on the video. Maybe the overlay one, maybe the soft light one, maybe the color dodge one, or maybe not. I think the overlay one looks the best. You can again adjust the opacity here. And that's how you can add a watermark on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!